everyone! So today I'm doing a sushi mukbang. I have been wanting to do a mukbang on my channel for a very long time now. I love sushi and I love watching sushi mukbangs. Those are probably the most watched videos I watch. So yeah, I got a tarantula roll because I wanted something crunchy. I usually don't get big rolls like this. I usually just get pretty plain sushi. Tuna nigiri and salmon nigiri. But this one has soft shell crab on the inside and imitation crab and avocado on the top. And I'm gonna dip it in some eel sauce. Also I have Hello Kitty chopsticks. Actually like child size, which I didn't know when I bought them, but yeah. And I have some soy sauce right here. It's comes in a packet, which I'm not a huge fan of soy sauce from a packet, but I don't have a little bowl to pour it in, so I'm just gonna pour it on top of the sushi. This is so good. Oh no, it's falling apart. This is good. These tiny chopsticks are actually bothering me. So I'm gonna use regular chopsticks actually, because those ones are too small. And they gave me some chopsticks, so I'm gonna use them. Like, look at this comparison. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna have some tuna nigiri now. I almost thought that was soy sauce, but it's not soy sauce. Okay. That's good. I rarely get tuna nigiri actually. Because it's so expensive. But for the video I wanted to get some nigiri. I didn't know what I should get. I was gonna get a salmon roll, but I decided why not just get nigiri, because I personally like watching nigiri videos. And yeah, this roll is so good. The light is really close to the roll, so you can't really see it when I hold it up. but it's so yummy. This is like a roll that I would recommend if you are new to sushi and you don't like raw things. It's just like a California roll but with fried crab in the inside. When I get big rolls, then I usually get pretty full. So since I got nigiri on the side, there's probably going to be a couple pieces left, and I'll just give them to my sister because she likes sushi. Okay, I'm going to have a salmon nigiri. I cannot make this up. Come on, little sushi. I know people talk about like a lot of things when they do mukbangs, but I don't really know what to talk about. I'm gonna eat this big end piece because it is so good looking. I am getting full and my sister wants sushi, so I'm gonna give her the last couple pieces. But I have one nigiri left. The tuna. Ooh, tuna. I always eat ginger after I eat sushi or during, because it makes my stomach feel good and it tastes good. So if you got this far in the video, then thank you so much for watching. If you like mukbangs and you want me to continue doing mukbangs, then definitely comment it down below. Comment what your favorite food is, and yeah. My favorite food is sushi, so I wanted sushi to be my first ever mukbang. And yeah. If you have any comments on the setup or the lighting, then let me know. I just want to make good mukbang videos. I kind of like really love mukbangs, so yeah. I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye.